Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. Today we're going to do a little unbox of our Floodlight camera. I'll show you what comes included with the box and we'll go you through and dissect a little bit. So go ahead and we'll open it up. Now being that this unit is hardwired, we would highly recommend getting a professional to go and install it for you. You're messing with live power, so please take all precautions necessary. So this is our Floodlight camera unit. As you can see, you've got live wires there, so please consult a professional before you go and try any installation. The actual unit itself has the camera there, and you can obviously move those lights around in a multitude of different ways if you wanted to. More adjustment than necessary is the way I would put it. Also included in the box is the instructions and a setup guide, along with a couple of screws for mounting and a couple of wall plugs.